Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys display and brightness setting in our Realme phone. In this video friends we will talk about guys how to turn off adaptive brightness. Friends, you want to turn off your adaptive brightness mode. So guys, how can you off? In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel guys and guys you are watching my video first time, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Friends, first of all open your phone setting and scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in a Realme phone. Friends, click on guys your display and brightness settings. And guys, you can see auto brightness guys, we call it guys adaptive brightness. So friends, you want to turn off. So right side guys, you can see this icon on your screen. So guys, you will have to click on this icon. Then guys, your adaptive brightness will turn off. And guys, you can increase and decrease yourself. You can customize your brightness level yourself guys. So like that guys, you can turn off guys your adaptive brightness mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.